such adventurous young boys, and that is what India requires. We require to force, to push. We are a great country, and we have got a varied culture, and we must enjoy every culture and be brothers and sisters. And good thing that you all came here. And next time when you come, you give me a longish notice. Sure, sir. And don't surprise me like you have done now. Yes, sir.
ಎಪ್ಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಪ್ಪಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಎಪ್ಪಲ್ದ ಮರ. ಗೊಂಡೆಬು ಅವು ಆಸಡದ. ಹಲೋ. ಎಸ್ ಚಲೋ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸಮಯ ಕೊರಗಚ್ಚ. ಬಾಯ್.
ಅವು ಕುಡಂಜಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ಉಂಟು ಗೇತ ಮನಾಲಿ ಬರಂಟ
ಈಜಿ ಮೇಪಾಡ್ದು ಬಲೆ ಮಂಡಿ ಅದು ಬರ ಮಂಡಿ ಕುಲ್ ಮನಾಲಿ
ಅವೇ ಅವೇ
ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಮುಲ್ಬಂತ
ಅಂದೆ
ರೈಡ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾತು ಮರ ಬರಾವಂತ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಏನಣ್ಣ. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ ಮನಾಲಿ ಇಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀ ಚಂಡೀಗಢ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನಾಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಚಂಡೀಗಢ. 2 ದಿನ ಹುಷಾರಿದ್ದೆ, ಜ್ವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಪಕ್ಕ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ?
ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಎಂಗಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಂಡು ರೈಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಟಿದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಂತ.
ಎಪ್ಪಲ್ ತಿಂಡಾರ ಗಂಡೆ
ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೀತಾತು ಮುಲ್ಪು
ರಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಡೆ
ಯಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೂಜು ಕೊಯ್ಯೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಯ್ದು
ಬನ್ನ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ ಬಂತೀರಿ ಮಾರ್ರೆ
ಅಂದ
ಬೇಚ ಎಲ್ತಾಗೆ ಲಾಯ್ಕದ
ಅಂದ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ ಏನು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಲ್ ಬುಲೆ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಪ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪಂಡ ಆತ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ದತ್ತು ಎರಡೇ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಬರಕಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಪೇರು ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ದಿದ್ದೈತಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡು ಬೇಡಿಗೆ. ಓ ನೀರು ಒಲ್ಲ ಮುಲ್ಪ
ಇರ ತುವಾರಜ್ಜಿ ರಪ್ಪ ಗೆತ್ತೆ ಬಾಕಿಲ್
ಏರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಒಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಚಿ ಬರ್ ಪಿಂಚಿ
ನೀನ ಮಾರೆ ಪೂರ ತುಂಡ
ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರದ ಜುಂಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇಂಚಿನ
ತುಂಡು ತೀರ್ಥಪುರಂದೆ ನೀನು ಮಲ್ಪ ಜರ ಪೂರ ಸೈಟ್ ಪೂರ
ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ರೈಟ್. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತುಲೆ ಅವೈಕಂದೆ ಉಂತುಲೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಮರ್ ತೂವರೆ ರೋಮದೊಳಗೈತ
ಕಿನ್ನಿದೊಳಗೈತ
ಈ ಆಲ್ಜೆ ಮಲ್ಪುಜ ಮೂಲಂಜನ
ಕೊರ್ಚ ಅಂದ್
ಅಂಚನ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಪಲೆ ಅವ ಆಲ್ ತೇಟ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಅವತ್ತೆ
ಅದೇ ಮನ ಊರು ಬೋದು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಚ್
ನನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಜ್ಜಿರಿ ಹಾವ್
ಹಾ
ಎಂತ ಸೆಕೆ
ಸೆಕೆ ಬಾರಿ ಒಂದುಂಡು
ಮನೆ ಚಳಿ ಚಳಿ ಬನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ
ಹಾ
ಮನೆ ಚಳಿ ಚಳಿ ಬನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ
ಅಂದ ರೈತ ವರಣಿ ಬರ ಸುರ್ವಾನ್
ಅಣ್ಣ ಐಟಿ ತಾವಲಿ ಮರ್ಚ
ಹಾ
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಚಳಿ ತಾವಲಿದ ಬಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮರ ಮುಗಿಂಡ ಐತಿನ ಸೊ ಈಗಲಿದ್ದೆ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆತ ಇದು ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಎಂಕುಲು ಪಿಂಡಿ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಚಂಡೀಗಢ ಮುಲ್ತರ ಒಂಜಿ 71 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಸೊ ಇಂಕುಲು ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಆದ ಚಂಡೀಗಢ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆವೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಮುಲ್ಪಲ್ ಪಂಡ ಇಂಕುಲು ಲಂಚ್ ಕುಂತಾವ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಕುಲು ಕಿರತ್ಪುರ್ ಉಲ್ಲ ಕಿರತ್ಪುರ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ತೆಂಕುಲು ಚಂಡೀಗಢ ರೀಚ್ ಆಯ್ಯ ಸೊ ಒಂಜಿ 350 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಚಂಡೀಗಢ
turn left then turn right
ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಪ ರೈಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತೊಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಸೊ ಮುಲಿಪೋಡು ಅಲ್ಪ
turn right then slight left then you will arrive at your destination. You've arrived.
ಚಂಡೀಗಢ ರೀಚ್ ಆತ ಸೊ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಎಂಕಲಂಜಿ ಆರ್ಮಿದಾರ ಐತೇರು ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೂಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೊ ಅವೆನ್ ತೂಲೆ
So this one is there, and then this is when Somalia war. You know Somalia war. You don't know. You are let's say. So this is Somalia. When I was a battalion commander, they were fighting in Somalia, and this is when I was the Kargil Brigade commander during war. So that one. These I made sometime 1976.
Okay, you painted?
I painted all three. Nice. So that is Rommel. So this is these are my parents. These are my parents. Okay. And I am standing here.
Second one.
And this is a similar one when my children. So how do you like it?
Who's that?
So I am fond of these old things.
Can you tell us about your vehicles? Which all vehicles?
Oh, I'll show you. Old one.
Okay, that's the radio, right?
No, this is it's automatic. They keep falling.
Gramophone.
This is known as radiogram. Earlier it used to be one of the most looked up. Come. Bantam.
Okay, BSc Benton.
हैं? वो कहाँ टॉर्च कहाँ? हाँ, that is Bantam, 1954. First class running. Oh, sorry, I didn't get it clean because I didn't know that you will be coming today. चलो, और आपको दिखाएंगे.
So which model is this?
34, 1934.
The name?
Huh?
Which car is it?
Austin 7.
Austin 7. Okay.
Austin 7. Small British car. Java.
Okay, Java. Yeah, Java. Model? 19?
1963.
Okay. So this is 6 volt?
Willys.
Okay.
6 volt.
6 volt. Very few people have got it.
Okay.
This is left hand drive. Left hand drive. You can open it if you want. You start first class, it runs first class.
Exactly.
A1. This one is. This one is Fiat.
Okay, Fiat.
Fiat 6 horsepower.
Oh.
Oh.
Like is it modified? Or what
No,
is
no,
stock?
nothing.
Okay, this stock.
It's a rear engine. The engine is in the rear, 2-stroke. No, two cylinder only. Engine is here. No, I don't know why. We have to open from inside.
Nice.
This is Austin 10.
Okay.
Austin 10. आगे से देखो उधर. Good looking. Original lights.
Okay.
Beautiful Ford.
Okay.
Very small two-seater. Two-seat convertible.
Wow.
ये बांधा हुआ है उसमें, है ना?
It's okay, sir.
This is the cloth cover. हाँ,
Okay.
2 seats only. 2 seats only. You like it? So others are lying outside with my son.
Okay.
He's a little far away. This is the light is there. Oh, I have to go there.
Wait, sir. Go for two.
This is matchless. All start first class. That's sidecar.
Okay.
Sidecar for this.
Okay.
And this is for TCC. Beautiful.
The name?
Name. This is the Honda.
Okay. Honda.
Honda original paint. No change there.
Okay.
It's roller. It starts with the roller.
Okay.
Small engine.
It has a.
इस तरफ से देखो. Look from this side. This is small engine. Very small engine.
Okay. And this is matchless.
The matchless.
Okay. And Lambretta.
This is the Lambretta.
And a sidecar.
Sidecar for this one.
Okay. Matchless.
So this is how I keep myself busy. I'm Brigadier Surinder Singh,
Okay.
and I joined the army in '69,
Okay.
and I got commissioned as a second lieutenant
Okay.
in 1970. So we went for 71 war and served in most of the places and during operations. And then there was a Somalia war. So in the UN forces, so I was the commanding officer there also. And then the latest one, I was I was the commander during Kargil war.
Okay.
I was a brigade commander, brigadier that time. From there, I retired, and I have passion for old cars, old antique things, motorcycles. So I have about 10 or motorcycles included, maybe about 20.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, and I like old things, and I like traveling. I like all the culture, especially in the south
Okay.
and northeast. And I've seen some. Now I will be coming to you all over
Sure,
there.
sir. You can see.
One thing I have missed out is Kerala.
Okay.
Never got a chance to be there.
It's a beautiful city.
It's a very beautiful place. And
Yeah.
but I have been in Tamil Nadu for some time. A little bit. My daughter was there in Bangalore. My son is presently there.
Okay.
That part I know a little bit. And Andhra also I have been to. I have got very good friends there.
Okay.
Army officers, my course mates and seniors there. And One of them was principal conservator of forests, Mr. Chitrapu. He is in. So I'll be coming to and meeting you all over there.
Sure, sir. Anytime.
Wish you all the best. I
And,
like when
we are,
young.
Lucky to come to your place and.
No, it's my honor that you are such adventurous young boys, and that is what India requires. We require to force, to push. We are a great country, and we have got a varied culture, and we must enjoy every culture, and be brothers and sisters. And good thing that you all came here. And next time when you come, you give me a longish notice.
Sure, sir.
And don't surprise me like you have done now.
It's okay, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, your families, and you are married, anyone?
No, sir.
So
He is married.
so okay.
Ravi is married.
They will also be getting married soon, and I'll also come there.
We will call you.
God bless you.
Yeah,
God bless you, son. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you.